Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get this nice holiday glam makeup look. It's just the eyes only. I'm not going to do my foundation. I'm only going to focus on the eyes. And also today is a motivation Monday. I just want to start off the week just to motivate you guys so you can just, have faith and motivation throughout the week. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. So I did one side off camera just to show you guys how I get this nice clean cut look. I'm going to show you on the other eye. So first I'm going to start off with just cleaning up my eyebrow. I'm not going to do my eyebrow first. I'm only going to clean it up underneath, and then I'm going to take that concealer all the way down to my eyelid, and the concealer that I'm using is from ColourPop. Then I'm going to use my damn beauty blender just to blend out to make it look much smoother. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go into the Saharan by the Juvia's Place palette, and I love those colors so much. I'm going to take this burnt orange and I'm going to focus it right on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it up. I'm going to put it into the crease and a little bit above, and I'm going to go a little bit higher, closer to the brow bone, and I'm going to build it up. I'm going to add more shadows as I go because I want to get it to be a little bit more brighter. So just add shadows to your desired color. So I forgot to put the tape before I put the shadows, so I'm going to go ahead and put the tape, and that's how I get that nice clean cut straight line on the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut that lid. First I'm going to stamp it on just to get that straight line, and trust me, cutting the lid is no joke. It takes time, but I want to show you guys how I cut my lid. So I'm going to go into the Garnier cleaning water. This is very good to clean up your concealer and to clean up any makeup that you want to use on your eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and just clean up under the color, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that concealer back onto the eyes. And the reason why I do it is because I don't want no shadows to blend into the concealer. I want it to be very clean and crisp. So that's the reason why I did it. Now I'm going to go into the NYX. I love that so much. So I'm going to go ahead and create a wing, but I'm not going to do a regular wing. I'm going to create a line and then bring it up instead of bringing it down. Now I'm going to go into a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pat it right onto where I did that wing liner just to make it more vivid, more brighter. And I'm also going to go in and fill in the center and then blend it out with a small brush. So I'm going to take this reddish burgundy color from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to stamp it right onto the concealer, onto the eyelid, just so that the colors, the shimmer that I'm going to put onto the eyeshadow make it a little bit more pop and nicer. Now I'm going to go into the glitter primer from NYX, and also this NYX Glitter Brilliant is a very, very, very good. I'm going to go ahead and use that primer first onto the eyelid, and make sure you get tacky before you put on any glitter. And I'm going to put the glitter on, and as you guys see how it looks so pretty, so nice. It's a very, very, very pigmented. You just want to stamp it on and not swipe it, so that you could get that desired bright color of your choice. So just keep on going ahead and just stamp it on and just pack it on. It is so pretty, it's so nice. It giving me that fall, winter vibes that I'm going for. And just keep on packing it on. So I'm going to go back into the black shade, and I'm just going to blend out the edges only, because I want both of them to blend together and not look separated. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off that tape, and as you guys can see how that line is clean and straight. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up my face. As you guys know, I cannot do my face first and do my eyeshadow, because you see how a lot of fallout. I just can't. So I'm just going to take my concealer and just to blend out underneath my eyes, so that the rest of the colors that I'm going to put underneath my eyes pop a little bit more. Now I'm going to take my Bad Girl Bang mascara and just flick up those lashes. Now I'm going to go into the bottom, and I'm going to take that black shade first and just connect it where the wing is and just blend it out. Then I'm going to take a burgundy color, and when I put the burgundy and the black together, it gives it a little purple. So it's showing purple on camera, but it's a burgundy color I'm using just to blend together. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this nice shimmery shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just put it on and put a little bit of shimmer onto the brow bone and then blend it out. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you enjoyed. This was simple and easy for me to do. And if you want to create this look, let me know in the comment section and tag me on Instagram. I'll put everything down in the description box. And don't forget, I do upload Monday through Friday, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.